Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. So today we are showing you this insulated water container. So let's show you what it looks like. Alright guys, check this out. So this is 1000 milliliter and you got two different caps. So you can use this cap or you can use this cap. Both can be carried. This one, you just thread this off and then you can drink, put it back on, thread it and seal it up. So the nice thing about insulated ones, what this does, it keeps your drinks hot longer or cold longer. So nice and large. The nice thing about this one is the ring is on the outside. So a big problem with water bottles is water will get under that ring. It just will. It happens, and then the water starts to smell kind of funky, or the lid smells funky. So what you want to do is, if you use this every day, I recommend every 3 to 4 days, take this ring out and scrub and clean under it, and then put it back. Some of these bottles don't have the ring on the outside, and it makes it almost impossible to take it off. So that is definitely a plus. And this gets a scoot pass because I love it. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be great for when I go on little hiking trips.